for today's video guys, Ganap is going home.
Going home na lang. Hindi ko na to yan. Lagyan ng music. With some
We are going home kasi ngayon lang na isipan ni Unloves TV guys na mag-vlog. Kasi yun at ngarag.
Marag ka ba? Sa lagay na yan. Paano pag magkakaayos? Ano bit-bit mo, Ben? Sako.
Sako? Lalagyan lang naman ito ng mga barley guys.
Bigla mo yung barley.
Ang laman nito guys is barley.
Ngarag na kami, pasensya.
Barley drinks. Juice siya.
Ayun, madilim na sa labas, oh. Ay, Sissy Flor! Come here!
I'm here. It's in your service for paradise. Nada. Boror ang persons. Paglasensyahan niyo na ang persons.
Guys, nakailang ano na yan? Nakailang beer na siya.
1 month kasi ako nagtampo dito sa mga friends ko. So, just now come back.
Manood ka ng premiere ko, ha? Para mapanood mo to.
Of course.
Makita niya to. Hindi ko naman i-review. Of course.
Of course.
Aray ko.
Picture mo. Uy, dito. Oy, naglalakad sila.
Ayun guys, sa Samos. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Uy, manood tayo, dali. Konti. Ay, flower.
Pwede ba siguro magpunta doon?
Hi guys! Dito lang naman kami nagtambay.
Hi. And for today's video, guys, another for today's video.
Another.
Again, my life as a burikat in Hong Kong.
Waisit ka! Hindi ko talaga to! Waisit! Hindi ako burikat. Promise. Manood to, tingnan ko lang.
Hindi, burikat ba? Ay, Diyos ko, parang si Cindy Cinco ba? Para mamaya yung mga... Huwag kayong magpalinis.
Huwag daw magpalinis. Saan na tayo?
Doon! Tignan mo nga yung pan mo dito.
Saan? Sa shade naman yan, hindi naman pipilit. Saan kayo?
For the content lang naman.
Mahal, no?
For the content to this video, guys, I'm a burikat in the USA, the land of the... What's that like in the Cindy Cinco? Ganon. Huwag mo masyadong dipdipin.
Ikaw hawak ng taglan.
Hello guys! And for today's video, another for today's video, puro na lang to. Or saan kayo pupunta? Doon pa lang po exit.
Sabi niya dito.
Hindi! Lasing pa man kayo ba? Guys, lasing man yung mga kasama ko guys eh. Sa akala ko saan sila
Sa lang ang burikat.
Ay hindi, joke lang yun. Eh para pagsisindising ko, huwag na masyadong dipdipin.
Nandito kami sa loob ng IFC pa mo.
Hindi naman ka nandito kami sa loob ng IFC kasi
Pinakasikat na mall dito sa Hong Kong mama.
oo, ito yung pinaka-famous. Ang hirap pala maging famous. Ang daming camera na nakatutok sa akin ngayon, oh. Ang hirap pala maging famous. Baka mag-viral na ito.
Nakahawak na kami.
Oh, tingnan mo, oh. Hindi, nagsha-shopping lang na naman ako sa Barley. I'm going to the Barley and this is for Chanel. This is Chanel. Okay, we go in Chanel, inside the Chanel, and we gonna this.
Okay, never mind.
Chanel pa rin. Ayun yung Dior. Another Dior. Where is the Dior? Okay. We going to the Dior for prettiest, ang ganda ng mga lipstick, promise. Ang ganda ng lipstick ng Dior. Pupunta tayo dito sa Dior, guys. Ito-tour ko kayo dito. Guys, joke lang yun ha. Baka mga isipin nyo, talagang burikat kami dito. Ayan, Dior. Ito yung Dior. Ito naman yung Sephora. Dito tayo sa Sephora, guys. Gusto nyo ng mga foundations? Charot. Ayan. Ito yung Sephora. Ay, ang ganda ng mga highlighter nila, guys. Hindi Marites. Makapabili na yun. Ah, Zara, ito yung favorite ko sa Zara. Pagpasok tayo, can you hold my bag?
Please!
Please! Dito tayo. Kasama ko yung mga circle of friends ko. Mga circle of friends. At dito kami sa Zara. And then we're going to shopping. I want to choose some bags because one of my friend is asking me for her birthday cake, but I'm still choosing. So
seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
You're the one who found him.
Shh.